Hi, my name is John Lee from Dashboard Dudes, and I am a perfectionist, which is why I use Domo Brand Kit. Let me show you why Brand Kit is amazing and why it gives me sanity, peace of mind, and saves me time. So I'm going to go to More at the top, and I'm going to go to Admin. And if you have Brand Kit enabled, you'll see this little paint roller icon on the bottom left. If you don't have it enabled, you might want to ask your account exec about it, or you can go to consumption model and you'll get access to it right away. But I'm going to go to Brand Kit. And this is really cool. I can change my login background to be either a color or to be an image. So I set this image right here. I'm a Futurama fan, and Bender is one of the best data people out there. And here's an example of my new login screen looks like. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. In addition, though, to changing your login screen, you could do a couple things. There's chart colors right here. If I go to chart colors, what I have done, I just went to new palette and I entered in my logo colors that are specific to my brand. You could do this with yours. You can put fonts in, you can change your font, you can change email settings, whatnot. So why this is very cool is because now if I go create a card, the colors default to my brand colors automatically. Right here, the different hues that I want. But I don't have to be stuck with this. If I want to override them, I can totally override them. I can pick company A here. I can change it to these different colors that I have listed. And I can also put in any color that I want through hex codes. So I can put in, for instance, black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can make company A that color. And there we go. I can do it that way. Or I can pick, like you saw before, on one color specifically from my color palette. I can make this one green. And I have the different shades of green that I want there as well. And we're good to go. So that's honestly a huge mental saving. This helps me be very consistent with my colors, my image, my brand, and I love Domo Brand Kit because I'm a perfectionist. And if you are too, you might want to consider Domo Brand Kit. Hopefully that was helpful. And if you want to learn more, if you go to my website, dashboarddudes.com, you can see all of my courses. So if you go to here and you click courses, you can see that I have a Domo 101, 201, 301, 401. I go over Domo and DDX bricks. I go over Domo and data science, always adding more classes and features to my selection. And it's made to be very engaging, very short sprints so that you can kind of pick it up whenever you want to pick it up. If it's before work, after work, or lunch break, downtime, whenever you want, you could just learn how to use Domo, be very, very, very proficient at it. Okay, check that out at dashboarddudes.com and you can see my full course list there. All right, good luck to you, and I'll talk to you later.